Have you ever wondered why some people in their 70s wake up full of energy while others feel tired all day, even after sleeping for hours? The secret often lies not just in how long you sleep, but how well and when you sleep. As we age, sleep becomes one of the most powerful tools to protect our body, our brain, and even our happiness. Today, we'll explore exactly how much sleep you need after 70, when to sleep for the most benefit, and how to make your nights peaceful and your mornings full of energy. 1. Why sleep becomes more important after 70. After 70, our bodies change in gentle but real ways. Our metabolism slows down, our muscles take longer to repair, and our brain needs more rest to stay sharp. Sleep becomes the time when your body heals, quietly and beautifully. During deep sleep, your brain clears out waste, your heart rate slows, and your immune system grows stronger. Lack of sleep doesn't just make you tired, it can affect memory, blood pressure, and mood. So if you've been struggling with restlessness, light sleep, or waking up often at night, you're not alone. Many seniors feel the same. The good news is, there are gentle ways to fix it, and it starts with understanding how much rest your body truly needs. 2. The ideal number of hours for seniors after 70. So, how much sleep do you actually need? Most experts agree that adults over 65 need 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. That's the sweet spot. It can be 7 hours for some, 8 for others, but anything less than 6 hours regularly can harm your health over time. Sleep helps your brain clean out waste, repair body tissues, support your heart, and strengthen your immune system. It also keeps your mood balanced and helps you wake up with a clear mind. If you're sleeping less than 6 hours, or more than 9, your body might not feel its best. The goal is consistent, peaceful, and natural sleep, not just time spent in bed. How many hours do you usually sleep at night, and do you feel it's enough for your body? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom Vault, for more peaceful wisdom every day. 3. Understanding how sleep changes with age. It's natural to notice changes in your sleep pattern as you age. Many people in their 70s fall asleep earlier and wake up earlier. That's because your body clock, called the circadian rhythm, shifts slightly with age. You might also wake up more during the night, not because of anxiety, but because of lighter sleep stages. The body spends less time in deep sleep as we grow older. That's why a 20-year-old might sleep for 8 hours and feel great, while a 70-year-old might get the same hours but still feel less rested. Don't worry, this doesn't mean you're unhealthy. It just means your body needs a little help to create the right conditions for deep, healing sleep. 4. The best time to sleep after 70. One of the most common questions is, what is the best time to go to bed when you're older? For most seniors, the ideal bedtime is between 9 p.m. and 10:30 p.m., and waking up between 5 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. This matches your body's natural rhythm, when your melatonin, the sleep hormone, is highest. Sleeping during these hours gives you the deepest, most refreshing rest. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body loves routine, and within a few weeks, you'll notice you fall asleep faster and wake up calmer. 5. Signs you're not getting enough sleep. Sometimes, we don't even realize we're sleep deprived. Here are gentle signs to look for. You feel sleepy during the day, even after breakfast. You forget small things more often. You feel more emotional, irritated, or sad. You find it hard to focus while reading or watching TV. You fall asleep suddenly in front of the television or while sitting. If these sound familiar, your body is trying to tell you, I need deeper rest. 6. Why too much sleep can also be a problem. Yes, oversleeping can also affect your health. Sleeping more than 9 or 10 hours regularly may make you feel even more tired. It can slow down your metabolism, increase joint stiffness, and may sometimes be linked to underlying issues like thyroid imbalance or depression. So, listen to your body, not just the clock. If you wake up fresh after 7 hours, that's perfect. If you still feel tired after 9 hours, it's time to look at your sleep quality, not quantity. 7. The secret of deep sleep after 70. Deep sleep is the most healing stage, when your brain restores memory and your body repairs cells. To increase deep sleep, keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. Avoid caffeine after 4 p.m. Use a comfortable pillow and mattress that supports your neck and back. Try gentle stretching or breathing exercises before bed. One of the simplest ways to calm your body is slow breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Do this for just 1 minute before bed, and you'll notice how your heart slows, your body relaxes, and your mind feels at peace. 8. Naps, helpful or harmful? Short naps can actually help seniors recharge, if done wisely. A 20 to 30 minute nap after lunch can refresh your mind and improve alertness. But long naps, over an hour, or evening naps can make nighttime sleep harder. If you love a nap, keep it short and early in the afternoon. Think of it as a gentle recharge, not a second sleep. 9. Simple habits for better sleep quality. Here are small daily habits that make a big difference. 1. Morning sunlight. Spend 10 to 15 minutes outside early in the morning. It helps set your body clock. 2. Regular meals. Eat dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed, avoid heavy or spicy foods at night. 3. Calming routine. Read a peaceful book, pray, or listen to soft music before bed. 4. Limit screens. Turn off TV and phone at least 30 minutes before sleeping. 5. Gentle movement. Light evening walks can improve blood flow and calm your nerves. Each small habit tells your brain, it's time to rest now. 10. The connection between sleep and longevity. Here's something beautiful to know. Many long-living people around the world, from Japan to Italy, share one thing in common: consistent, quality sleep. Good sleep lowers your risk of heart disease, improves memory, supports balance, and helps you stay independent longer. It keeps your body young from the inside. So when you sleep well, you're not just resting, you're adding quality years to your life. How do you prepare for sleep at night? Do you have a small ritual, maybe reading, praying, or quiet reflection? Tell me in the comments below. Your bedtime habits might inspire others too. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom Vault for more peaceful and meaningful guidance every week. 11. When to talk to your doctor. If you're sleeping well but still feel tired, or if you often wake up short of breath, snore loudly, or have restless legs, it may be a sign of sleep apnea or another sleep disorder. Don't ignore these signs. Talk to your doctor. Sometimes a small lifestyle change or simple treatment can transform your sleep completely. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's your body's natural medicine. In your 70s and beyond, life slows down, and that's not a weakness. It's an invitation to rest deeply, to heal, and to connect with your inner peace. A good night's sleep gives you strength for your days, clarity for your mind, and lightness in your heart. So tonight, when you close your eyes, remind yourself. You deserve rest. You have earned peace. Let each night be a gift, a quiet pause between the blessings of your days.